mutakabonang UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland ani nyimbanku tomal mu meto. Supersonics le itadulate. Anada di masanji jama Gambia bankoka ise kodo tanole ibe dawo da birin katon fokoina andung batatije. Hade batatije ise kodo tanole ka bonam bantala bankol to birin UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland ani nyimbanku tomal mu beto na doku sone yata atariyata akoita andung allan yata. Gambia bankoka Supersonics le dinkiral siyata katambinyin tomal mu meti. Supersonics be banku tansabani nani leto fota findu bankolto dung ila Google Play Store to wala ila Apple App sign ye Supersonics la money transfer app download pour que ifa munafang na service la.
lole la ka foko no ka tamandi fo janni sanji fulo ni metimmala comité ka kenyami sanji fulo e ka ben ka nyaton ko tombo anin ka diamu ko la miliaran ko wala kede la ka foko no mbadi ngol e la dum folo ye daele rolke la ka fu nyaton ko mil bijenu e diamuta ko mol fota miliaran ko mol fota dal male Gambian Talents TV komin ka kenyami kunum fanan e ka jata e tombondiro ke mol la miliaran ko wala bere kafoni tamandila kunu ya tombondiro ke la de akamunte la place de mal bije ye wol tombo nyami mol mil bije ndum hanibi ya wol tuje mil keta ko min pati nyaton ko ni ni secretary general mi yala wolom loya Ousainou Daboti atade ma fali ina bu ka ta fali komi kabirin pati lo da sama minna kana fo bila loya Ousainou Daboti ina da ma ta fali kamunta talom pati la nyaton ko di hani kabi anda ta fanam bila flag biarati ya ta tombon kunu kake patila patil lidati ay diamo ke kabirin tombondiro nyin kola keta bide nata janne pour ka closing ceremony nyin ko witness closing ceremony min bakela doron patili dani atelbe diamo kela ila national president fana be diamo kela ni wo botala patil cultural entertainment fana be kela janne ni wo botala closing remarks mi alonko diamo bunda sorondamolo moti pati lidani mi yalan ko yatel to mon kutake atele bo kala silan ibe bengo da soronna ni ada sorondum ibe dala fo bu fa zono kata rali laje be targal fejang Gambian Talents TV ka be na bale live badingol alsil tung kan jibe inshallah mbabe na felale min bakirin kono do ani nimbo tajen data bu fa zono do rali la min be binala le mbabe sambala alen live and direct Alnal Badi Malam Ibrahim Ajada. Dear viewers, still we are here at the Paradise Suites Hotel witnessing the Congress of the United Democratic Party. Today is day 3. We have been here since the first day and the second day and the third day. Today we are here to witness the closing ceremony that will be done earlier or later. There will be a remark by the national president that is elected. Yesterday we witnessed the United Democratic Party select their new executive, we witnessed that the party leader his position was unopposed. We witnessed that their party leader, lawyer Ousainou Darboe, is still selected as the party leader. He was never changed since the party was founded in 1996. He has always been the party leader. It seems like his position is untouched. Nobody dares to touch his position since 1996. And some of the positions, or most of the positions, are untouched. Most of the positions are unopposed. We have seen some new executive members also selected. The mayor of the two cities, Banjul and KMC, were also selected. Mayor Bensouda selected as the campaign manager, and also Mayoress of Banjul, Rohey Malick Lowe, also selected as the deputy national president of the United Democratic Party. We have seen the lives of Amadou Skatre Jane, also selected as the media and communication admin secretary, and also some of the new faces. Abdullah Suku Singate and Zainabu Diab also selected in the executive. So it seems most of the executive members positions were not touched. The positions that were not those positions that the UDP expelled before, or some of those position members that resigned, like the Dembo Bojan's position, he resigned from the United Democratic Party. So the one who took that position was the deputy of that position, that is the national president of the United Democratic Party, and the one they selected for the National Democratic Party is Yamunda Uyabo. Now is was the deputy, but now is the national president. And they also selected someone to replace Fatoumata Jawara, who was also the women's wing president. Now they selected someone called Yakumba Jeite as the female youth wing president. So these were some of the positions that they changed. Today we are here to witness the closing ceremony. There will be remarks that will be made by the national president. The remarks will be made by the deputy secretary of and party leader elect, and there will be closing ceremony, closing remarks by the national president, lawyer Ousainou. The closing remarks by the secretary general and party leader, lawyer Ousainou Darboe, and then the session will be closed. Then we will go to a buffer zone for a rally, and that will be later today, inshallah. Gambian Talents TV, we will bring you all everything live and direct from the Congress zone to the rally. Thank you for joining us. I am Ibrahim Ajata. We have been here since the first day of the rally, and we will conclude it with you. Thanks for joining us.
Bari bukola limbara julo di ada bage bari fonga benga bari mol be ko dara passé
bari bibe ma diari mbakel
konkoto murkoto le konkoto futo koto furkoto
mu toñade man nin kolko sila koto wakata sate koto
prince ko yatala mamanta nan entertainment wala be mbake la senega jane wori ka ko me kora awo to kala pura denti be korontoro kan ala karam fa janni woni
yeñin kora bemba min da kanake gambia jang sato dao da tata jen kamale ka fo kora awo amma kan man ten kunno banko iko banko nyaton ko min keta adama baro ti kanala no musli ye nim ben kere sika ya ditel la ka kenyaton ko amadou kora wo fanam be jele don ajaru fatu sonko bakaw
kora mansa
ni aje be kumbola tumbun ko to e salon ko dal ko lon do sa kora man ke bi fenti
baraka
ha
ko batar la be on
mbeje ko dura ndamu be mele net
Il a fait position la Nindland.
Ok, alors nomination ko kanyame molle ke nominate. Ni palasol fenketa molle ka fo ntebe karle nominate la. So ni te kunningo yaje ko to palaso nyintano la e ka decline no la. Yalo ngawji jel. Ban ni sa atano buñane hormo molle men sotoy inyantale o buñane hormo nying ya amafa ya buña ya horma fane so ni mo le so anden meta do ko kala patio en ngamra momo en tollong yenni UDP la long from the outset from 1996 woto mbe do yare mbake mbulata patio nyum kabula patio nyum noma ngang fañol taraje andum mashallah kabirim wolu nsa fo patio manku ke men yatina ko ndol sa fo wen jikla tendele fonga bo patio nyum do so wala yatena ni bi wato sita fontol futata wato minna palasol bijen sa min marano fo moliyem codi ko ite na yindu lanke woto womunye responsibility leti amunye obligation olde pour nga woto palaso nyinta nga tamandi to the best of our ability for the progress of the party and in that of the progress of the nation.
Koma wati tambila alka congress kele milala ko wala man kenyinti ametale alka congress nyol kele mol ka fal ko wala position dol bije alcool bula mo kelil na bulu wala albuka hanyi nyaawat atal damal ka to position nyil alko position nyim bula wal mari nyol la bulu so ele alani congress do nyi bani wo congress do li be jela nyaadi
yalon feng o feng foi se improve patio min be ka improve wo man tara yirwa kan ni aji ben ka congress wol minu kennu wol ni nyim congress wol na setting sol fengo fata badal jorong wol minu ben da jang aketa nyamin dulañing dedata ñami enen fengolu niani wonnol be compare fata batal so it's an improvement patio be yirwa ka ñami we also have to learn to improve na cool katama ñami nga wolen noma but also we try to improve and then every year every 2 years ning congress be kekan cool for is improve nama improve down then wo patio be ka yirwano but UDP adapt with the changes social media nada we adapt with the social media nga kujamale ta adapt so sign ne aje nka congress ke criticism be kasia isalon ko nka cool taman ni nyamen na tar nun nka taman nun the same way like kabira da no in 1996 to now abekala fenkol da abe chocho be dula but UDP from the outset mul nyanda mello na la history nyindo mimbe patio nyaton kaya ka woman patio nyun lo molle patio lo ya tombo kabirin 1996 aka ko nyama every year ning nata congress to minimum executive ti ke la palasol sendele be ji duma den ni ji ta duma palasol katra mt rin santol minu lafta molle nominate nim molle min nominate wolle ka fenke wolle ka choose kata san nim mole mo kelen nominate mol nyininka dumala be don nominate la mo man so min me foro kala ya lon budu wolam nyindiko wo mole mo kelen na choose ad wo mol nyim mo delegate sollete minu barana banko mumeka o banko mumeko ngam place kelen ngam mo nyin kar la choose wodo o de salo nim mo be d'accord da wodo to salo budu wo amunda nyo sabata wo ko ha bare amanke ko mo kelen be je mol ka to bulu mol man la fi nyine yalo mol kala fi wol fola ni be patio kono ilafta modo e taraja manjare o si fafo I taya mari nominated lafta mi nominate at the end of the day election over kelale o mari nyinga jibe fo atale be ganyela fo nyinde be ganyela because kabirin 2016 janning Adam Barrow kana election over kele mo sabale contesta o mo sabol nying Barrow le fenkeda no akata parti la flag bierati so what democracy bi jela hanim bi bar mingeta ni molta in even in any democracy kamele on oppose nimang opposition so in any position you are duly elected for that position wala amanda wala be caring wala kadanu kunu molle ka nomination okay nim modo mang nim mo clear for you have to be seconded by another person nim mari la nomination on you seconded and there is no other person for another nomination or given an alternative nomination then the person nominated or opposed get duly elected walam the process ni
ya mira allanying selection o kalwa da select as the allas party leader this year also among kala ko mata because ngajira 2016 amandarje ya president Adam Barrow nata o fenata akra mansari so this year also al fenata ba to mongal ba ke gal party leader ya mira nu amang attaque la ko mata ko this year also
no yalo
among mansa in sorono so president Barrow nata o within year o fenta o nata na ke mansadi
yalo loya da bon nen Adama Barrow man lo election on so nyinam force wonode so naya tara e lota no election ola aya bute num ko signa nani o signa lulu isa fono isa kudo fono par han wo fono na tara wala fono keda wo fanam manke best yardstick te bayri ngajele Ablaye Wade ning Abdou Diouf ya electionol ke jenne signa jama Abdou Diouf na Ablaye Wade na la banka bouté ngaje president Muhammad Buhari fana ya kenu Nigeria wo signa jama so Barrow nene ning loya dabo mang electionol ko bar kukile ngawlo Barrow gagné de 2016 because aka même fo Gambiano be wala matam loya dabo dingol Barrow ni loya dabo tole tata gagné ta ntol jigita nen loya dabo fo ngata wotam be gagné la because mol mini of kaitre fay ok 1996 wo majority leve carte o fayla in 2021 so no majority bije andum follow iko faale benum de to kono dingo kanada le buralia support because atam fa dingolti e dingo support nin dingo nata ko sa ana faale be ñoborongo kala den jigata wo mol will make the best they will be the best judge of that bari mim amanke ko mata do ntol believe ta ñina fa mun na ñaatu tati ñinan ne mu sangote mi yalon ko dabo fonglo be ñindi ko ay ke siloti min silo mimbe do ko ñina na fonnin kewle silo mimbe na silolu dedala silo mimbe tinala l'hôpital borol be taraje silo mimbe taranka mano min do ma dabe jila fenjama bi ja dabe jila surtout téléphone data phone ka même fango sang wol be nyanda jila nyim banko kan nyim man sakunda ma keno annun hanni sanji wili kilin na dilay ta keno la because he hamo ma wara ila londo ma wara i domoro dron e wodron na non e kono futo be nyaato dron wodron na moy la hamoti be min domo la sama president mi ala te kam min domo telefula wala siara da fon la joti an average gambiano bu kawo karklon so da man da wala ko jumala wala president adam barote anala patio nyin MPP so Gambianolu fonse wo tarambulo nyim faleng andon kabirin 1996 particularly neve lori nyim banko kam min ka fo ko non APRC mam betea nga foyle fo 2021 kabirin TRRC nata kuma kawol min fota Gambia be ajal ko to nyado APRC mam betea sang UDP ko ni non min fana nata APRC kabirin ni do ko ke ndol nga mi yitandi la ko nyanta banko sambala nyami ani to la fa sambala nyami ila tarambulo nying an mantara banko la interest non tol UDP kabirin 96 lotali pour banko la interest la and wo interest o nga momo ja ka be jenkela wala ba wo interest o change la ka fa la interest isal ndol ni wodi dal andum quite right president ndol la president government moto kotol be government department ol bulu minu be mol serve kan abuka moto di wala fa ka moto di individual la pick up kotol be di la lungolu akaw kodo bonni ming akaw be bonni ming gambianol la kodo akaw le sunya akam munum akawle ta akaka wol nene wala ka foy ko alkarde fay ndeka alem ma koy nga baraka ma koy nga balu atul la expenses la même moto do ne di la 20 moto niya borni ning essence ngote di la ita borni no la ila modol ye moto soto janne bi ka borni no because essence bu ka tare bulu so même sustainable fengo de men se sustain no wala munye development oti ye do ko soto e fen soto bar woma nyana kala mo kilinde bar Gambia funding ke jurmolo nyanda o sotla wokuma da ba no UDP is in for the interest of the whole country and not for the interest of one individual. Kabiri nata, they want to sell that agenda of one individual's interest. Wole yatina nge dagase wo MP so li kamene fo wole yatina nge be bondi ate Adam Barrow wala na mamuru nanno because ako ate be sila jela nga endorse as our candidate ngai no ko buka tawo nyama jan ni lafta nun tendu natara lafanu anyanta nala kunun nun waran kunun ko doya nominate barama hani wala ate ko moli adiata nyami moli adiala yalon the easiest thing you can do in anything is sitting down ika korodi mo leta lafta fengo fenne ka okay banko buka tamo nyama politiko buka tamo nyama abe kanyum kodo min bedi abe mi corruptionality and no Gambia bele nyantalo na ko they are corrupt and then corrupt regime leti mi yalon ko nyante bondi lale and no lummenge bondi wolon na Gambia nol balon na e ka nyin pikopol min bedi ko piko bo manke adama la kodo te bar Gambia nol fa la kodo lem akawleta ka o kodo nyim peser kadi mo la manya na dilamen
ya fo ko pesa Adam Barrow abe Gambia non la kodo le sunya kan aka wala di mo la ten abol la di kan fo nyin ali evidence so do jele ba wala la sedaro so do jele ka ko abol le ke
sedaro nyunga koyta per Adam Barrow la jo mo wili keme fula tallul let karwo kat ni wo multiply sango kono sango sang amanya na tambila million lulla na sanji lulu keje wo mu million mo ne lullet ni piko po min doron sang wo piko pol kilin kilin tambida million kilin nal akaw ko do bonni min ay piko po min doron di wo tambida 40 lal so nata la salary fam because 1 year of the salary manji la follow ala 20 million salary I mean sort already nata ay piko po sang wala piko kilin nyanda la 1.5 to almost 2 million amanya na tambela pick up 20 la tanyanda ate sembo wala jo nyanda mensi la bay now so pick up dolu minu santa minu tata fo pick up tan woro wula tan woro wokoro bodami the proof is in the pudding is in the eating of the pudding so coining is very clear nimmo sembo ma minsi akawo kuoke inyandalo na lako ni mala ka sombo mo na wada ka sunyale it's case closed
what album ke kan ya kadum ala nying national assembly member ay kere fendi mi alon ko ali afuko ay mandre bulaka atla silol noma wala kin nanda ye bonda la parti nyin kono so album ke kan pour ka nyi sifa avoid pour ka molta ke select ali ka la position e nana ke fendi mi alon ko na tele men fo ka denke nyin karan
yalon nga test min soto wodo nene ma wo test soto num before nga national assembly ning councilor samba député bungo taning area council itate kodo dila dolu jenget bari yalo mo tan sabanin kilin na dara non député bungo o mo tan sabanin kilin ye kodo bonni nyangu nyay ko kata nyangu nyam mo sey doron ne fam wafi yajal mo sey ye wafi imuru nda hanim be kata kol keke be kodo digam molla bari nyim mo to mal min be to taje wol be patio kon yalo nyim moto mal minu bi jam minu nata jam bi minu be patio kono bi hande manyo nyin ka wala loyalty la to the party because if finance it already what test nyin tambedale they have passed the test sign will be daming e palace di wala wol nene taw bulala because of kuol sangara to nyape nganyobulu wodun degela never nyimu mindi ning dabo se palaso dino la bi yeta yang ngosi purite ke president mune sone ara nin dabo winda aketa president UDP be mansala ikoy ko itam UDP dinnol te nge karan le sa ye kuolong na ye tambi ye kuol keten which one is more smoother and more peaceful and more amicable ngamera second one wala amicable so ni mari man greedy man fenge ikabulela alfala noma ni tata fo ye silo bedera be walande koy butunwo na ye bor nyinka ban ni to koy be fon la silo walanda ni meke koy buka walanno de ka bala ika bulala wala yete fanje bulade man davenga so itolle ko mira bari ntolu ni te koy jiko so don de don te koy ngaji ko so dabo why should you doubt dabo ite koy jigitan dela nde koy ye jiko min kentana nde fana jigita mo la men tambira nyene ni tata moro ya ka jigita la koy jigita kar mor kar le bika moro doubt de so why should you doubt the leader that you believe in can do better but that leader tells you that I have another leader who is far better than both of us and that leader if we follow him whatever you are looking whatever you are seeking in me you will find it in him phone
ibe muna be kala kuma labanti pour melbe ji
kuma labango la fa Gambia be milong wala ñinduko UDP paretale and we want Gambian only optionoje ye cool jemi ala cleta baro la silo o UDP la silo mba kukile na fole baro la silo ale o silo be la jetende baro la pat abe route menga ikawala for clueless wala mu mbakande malon kata dame bosile mi alon ko tadula tala bosile driver nyan tangole bije ning Gambianul bulata o boso kono mengo men sotoje burom fawle woni nim faye UDP we have a clear vision kuniya moyle Amar Sane memfo kabiri sita sanje sabo kono ye kol min achieve hani courant nyim faw mem courant de mi na baka fa UDP le ya vena inin Sénégal la courant ko Sénélec négociation Amar Sane ñol le ya fena Guinée Conakry la courant ñim miñande fenko fela na courant fena Gambia Amar Sane ñol le ya kele 1.7 billion nga min dani EU Brussels fo nga soto Amar Sane ñol le ya fena wo mu UDP la within 3 years kabiri yem bonne 3 years oto e UDP da bonne ko kono ya moy la ye bure fandi Gambia la ba fo coronavirus min nata kabiri wonata buru ini wala be chanten na dula mumeto ibe kodo pisir pasar la because coronavirus kodo nying ya dunni min do ya fale la ba nga statement ol min dol je ministry to be avale be kondomol le sanka ibe nyum kudol le sanka wurol du tajang nga beleje that tells you ko ñunu they are clueless they are mismanaging they are wasting Gambian resources and then that cannot continue Gambian people need to be aware of that laughter ye wala long UDP la campaign from now on new executive congress banda bi bu fa zone banda ndew message le tala ka fotande Gambian la ka mol fahamunde ka mol la londo kafunde woto mol ya lon ko there is a better way there is a better path to what we call a modern Gambia from this so called new Gambia baraka
alman sura kayra
alama duwal be jabila yalla yalla nangu ñaan jërëjëf asalaamaaleykum mbooloo mi ñu ngi leen a nuyu ci ñettali fani congrès yi UDP teel a ñu fas yéene pour conclure suñu congrès bi closing ceremony rek la ñu ngi gërëm délégué ci jógee Gambie yëpp ñoo bokk ci congrès yi 2020 bi ñu ngi gërëm media bi tamit bu fi ñëw am naa Fatim David na bamtu ñu yëpp waaye suma ubbi congrès closing ceremony bi maa ngi ko dooree di dalal jaama suñu yaay former vice president Her Excellency Fatoumata Jallow Tambajang di rafetlu tamit teewaayi honorable Doudou Dia teewaay suñu parti APRC di rafetlu tamit teewaayi Alaaji Dr Kumbu Ali Gueye Touré leader All People's Party moom it ñëw na bokk ci teewaay bi dégg naa tamit GDP bi yónni nañ fi seen ndaw pour mu bokk ci closing ceremony bi gis naa first lady si Gambia yi first lady si UDP yi Adja Maimouna Ndour Dabo démba def na introduction boo xam ne ñu ne Monsieur Obama façon introduction boobu la defaloon président Barack Obama kumfala walla na cultural troupe sol fana min be jang ay fana bina dabe sala kacha kono le bari lunta bal be jang former vice president nata fana kafuta mbi pour kan congress au close APRC all people's party so without wasting any more time may I call on the president-elect Aja Yamuda Yabo to give her remarks.
to hold this venue, or the entire UDP fraternity, and on my own behalf, I thank the staff and management of Paradise Suite Hotel for the wonderful manner in which they hosted this unique concert. Your Excellency, members of the High Table and entire UDP family, there is never any success without a story. Therefore, Your Excellency, the party leader and your leadership qualities, you are part of the success. In fact, you get that success. Thank you, Honorable General. At this juncture, I urge all the new executives from the ward, constituencies, regions, and national executives to be more committed than ever. As our bintang koni bintang ngal konton sini sungal koni ndino bije ngal konton kian kole kunda ngal konton ne kantora ngal konton dampa kunda ngal konton royal sisters ngal konton kom and diaspora ngal konton nyani fana ngal konton babake ngal konton bake na be mo be tentu ngal jey suma mbokk yi waa Banjul gërëm naa leen sant naa leen yéen ñëpp kontaan leen ci seen biir seen kër waa Fapal ku ne ci nga fi nga war a téye léegi li mu des woor ñu nekk am na structure su nekk liggéey moo des congrès bi def nañ ko si bismillahi rahmani rahim jeexal ko si alhamdulilahi rabbil alamin su nekk takku liggéey moo des amatul duga amatul wax amatul lay ak wax di rafet bu saaga booka bu xaste booka ñu def ko ci yàq wax ne leneen ne ndaw yi dugal si ndax ñun mag ñi itam ñu mun a fiir ñu ngi nii mënuñoo fiir ndax réew mi ko bëggee mu toog toogee na jigéen ñi tam ñëw na jigéen ñi ñëw oo nañ leen jigéen ñi boo ko suñu soo leen gisee suñu extrait bi xam ngeen jigéen ñi bari nañ kon nag loolooy seen daal xaajale wuloo seenewule wuloo ñëpp nga bokk ak uus moo tax ñu toppa la dina toppa àndaa yow dañ bugg a àndaa yow dugal na incha allah jërëjëf jërëjëf Gamtel foog ma wax si ñoom ngeen yóbbu ko bu natu ñoo am network bu baax damaa bëgg a wax ak suma doom yi bitim réew duñ mun a wax Gamtel nañ seetaan seen affaire su Ousseynou Daawé toogee dina réglé Gamtel dëkk bi dina ñëw
jërëjëf national president wax ji am na maana fu mu ñëwaat a baage Saembe na deputy party leader and deputy secretary general
come to the end of our 3-day Congress 2020. We have been able to successfully conclude and usher a smooth transition of our national executive. I am happy that my dreams of seeing more young and able women join the National Executive Committee of the party. And this gives me hope for the future. It renders hope, give me more for the future, for our valiant heroes who fought for what is being ushered into the United Democratic Party leadership and the transition process, which has always been the vision of our party leader and Secretary General. I continue to have great hope for the future of the United Democratic Party. The United Democratic Party has come a long way, but as a family, we always come out stronger and victorious together as we continue to expand in numbers and continue to strengthen our structures through democratic process. As we head for the road to 2021, as we prepare for a UDP government in 2021, and as we are ready to usher His Excellency Loya Ousainou A.N.M. Darboe to the State House from 2022. I continue my call to all Gambians to join the UDP. Come 2021, the United Democratic Party is heading to the State House, inshallah. This is my urgent call for Gambian women, young and old, educated and uneducated, to come join the United Democratic Party. We have all heard yesterday our party leader and Secretary General outlined our very ambitious policies and the strategic direction the United Democratic Party has offered to the Gambian people. These policies reflect what every Gambian desires to improve the quality of the lives and livelihoods, and this is our promise to the people of the Gambia. As I conclude, I want to emphasize for our collective efforts to ensure we all go out and recruit new membership to join the UDP. That we ensure our support to those who cannot afford national identity cards to have one, and that we support them to obtain voters' cards and to go out and vote on the day of election. This is my appeal, and to each and every one of us, bring at least one person to join the UDP. If you can bring more than one, even better. As I conclude, I want to congratulate the newly elected members of the National Executive of the United Democratic Party. Our words are very critical as we prepare for the upcoming presidential elections. But I remain hopeful that inshallah we shall succeed. I also want to take the opportunity to thank the delegates and all the organizers of this event for making this Congress a huge success. Thank you, Mayor Tariq Ahmed Bensouda. Thank you all, and God bless you. asalaamaaleykum maa ngi nuyu sama mbokk olof yi di nuyu waa Banjul ci amaani Banjul man sa ndaw di nuyu waa Banjul yëpp liñ fi wax bare na boobu benn tey waaye pour gàttale waxtu amul ñu ngi leen di gërëm délégué si gis nañ boobu benn tey ñetti fan yi liñ fi daj waaye ki ñu war a gërëm mooy Talib Bensouda mi nga xam ne mooy chairman organising committee moo ko xoos KMC Talib Bensouda wax naa ne kenn ku nekk UDP na ngay indi benn nit ci UDP soo indee nga ko benn nit tam moo ñu gënal gis naa ne exécutif bi ren jigéen ñi yokku nañ te jigéen ñi jàng dugal nañ waaye jigéen ñi jàng nañ yokku gën a ñëw ñi jàng tim nañ ñëw ku jàng baax na ku jàng baax na
Musonda mambala dañoo sabala ñu ngi leen a gërëm di leen sant congrès bi dem na ni mu war a demee ñu ngi gërëm ñëpp ñoo xam ne na parti bi na ko def waaye gërëmande bi du em ci benn yoon hôtel si ganale suñu délégué si yëpp ñu ngi leen a gërëm di leen sant délégué si ñu ne kontaan nañ trop ci place yi dal